Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this new Xcartoys set and I think it's totally awesome. Here we got the box and it's about the Tank 300 off-road car. It's a Chinese affordable off-road car and I've seen some videos on YouTube from the real one, and I have to say, for an affordable off-road car it performs really well. I will put a link in the description to that video so you can watch it yourself. I'm also going to put a link in the description of where I bought this set. I bought this set at the official Xcartoys on AliExpress. Now we see 5 tanks here on the box, but there is also a mystery model, so 6 cars in total. I'm really curious about this one with the tracks. Okay, let's check the box. Here we got the brand name Xcartoys. Did a lot of reviews about Xcartoys castings, and you can find them on my YouTube channel. Some text, freeze the image if you want to read it. Same for this side, including some QR codes. Okay, each car comes in a box like this. And before I'm opening up the first one, I'm going to put the turntable in front of my camera. I'm not using that turntable a lot, so I thought it's about time. I'm going to use that turntable. Okay, there we go. Let's open up the first box. It's the one with the bikes, the one that is right here. And let's take a look at the car first. Car feels pretty heavy. Metal base, metal body. We have rubber tires. The rims are in the same color as the car. I like that. We got a side mirror on this side and it got a silver sticker on it. Here we got a box on the side. Okay, let's go to the back. We see a spare tire and it's a rubber spare tire. We got a brake light. We got lanced rear lights. Here on the back it says tank. And this is for the bikes. Here we got a ladder on the side, and here top of the car a rack with 4 holes in it for the ski box. We even got a sunroof. Then we go to the front, we see some windscreen wipers. It's a left-hand drive, black interior, looks good. So here we got the base. Like I said, it is a metal base. And I think this is a normal screw, so you can take this off if you want. So if you don't like the bike rack on the back, you can take it off. Okay, now put the car right here. That looks good. First I'm going to take out the ski box. There we go. So here we got the ski box, 4 pins. Let's put it on the car. Should be really easy. There we go. In a nice white color. So now I'm taking the bikes out of the package. 2 mountain bikes. And I have to say, those are looking also very nice. With a bidon for some water. Okay, let's put the first one on it, and I'm going to put the gold one here in the back. Oh yeah, that fits perfect. And the other one in opposite direction. Yep, that fits perfect. Really nice. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, let's go to the next car. Quick look. this car. Turntable is a little bit too slow for me. Okay, let's put it here. Next one. This here on the side. Okay, the next one is the one over here on the box. First we're going to take a look at the car. Ooh, let's see. Oh, something is broken, I see. Okay, here we got the car. Nice, all those different colors. Again, rims are the same color as the car. Rally Tank 300 2022 Overland Explorer. This one got some extra lights in the front. The other one doesn't have that. Here I show you. It's got a snorkel on the side. Also a different storage rack with some LED light right here. So here we got the back, again a spare tire, rubber, and I think this is broken. Yep, this here is broken, but I can fix it easily, so that is no problem. Again, a sunroof. Okay, let's put it right here on the turntable, and let's take a look at all the accessories that we got. Well, I have to do it like this. So here we got a lot of accessories. Got some storage boxes, we got a sleeping bag, a flag, not sure what for. Got a shovel, some jerry cans, some cool boxes. Oh, I lost a sleeping bag. So plenty of accessories. I'm not going to take them all out. We already see them. So we are going to the next model. I'm going to put this one right here. And this one is, oh cool, this one comes with a rifle. It's this one right here. So, orange color, I like that. Now, the rims are black. That's a much better combination than orange rims. So, I like that. Again, it's a Tank 300, but totally different than the other ones. Different lamps here on top. Oh, that's cool. That is for a drone. It comes with accessories I'm going to show you right away. Is this? Yep. Maybe you can take it off. Storage box right here on the back. A ladder. No spare tire this time. I like that. That they put. That they do some variation. Lens headlights. Lens. Yes, lensed rear lights, just like the other ones. Metal base with a lot of details, by the way. Check this out. Okay, let's put it on the turntable. And then we got the accessories right here. And I think this one, what does it say on the... Yes, it says Fire Watch on the side. So all the accessories that comes with it has to do something with the fire watch. So we've got a big drone, we got a small drone, we got a heat-seeking camera, and we even got a rifle, and we got a tent. Okay, let's put this drone, because I think it has to be something like this. So there you go. Landing spot for the drone. How cool is that? And we can put the rifle right here. And then we got this heat-seeking camera. And we also have a bigger drone, which I think it's too big for the landing platform. Yeah, that's a little bit too big. That looks a little bit silly. But the smaller one is perfect. And we got a tent right here. Okay, put the car here. And then we're going to the next car. By the way, awesome car. Again, third car. A Tank 300, totally different than the others. Let's go to the next one. Ah, this is the one with the tracks. And I'll show you, no accessories with this one. They thought this one don't need any accessories. It's already cool with the tracks. And that is absolutely right. Okay, let's take a look at it. I don't think, yeah, can it ride? Nah. I'm not going to try that. But man, this thing looks cool. I think it's my first casting with tracks like this. Tank 300. Nice, those color combination with the white, yellow and orange. Sunroof, interior is the same. Again, different storage box on the back. And also a different base. Nice. So they put an extra base on it for the tracks to get it some higher on the wheels. Super cool. Like this one a lot. And by the way, those tracks are made of rubber, no plastic. You see they got an Xcartoys logo here. Name Xcartoys. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. These models are super cool. Somebody at Xcartoys is really creative. Okay. Let's see. What is this one? Ah, this is the one right here, and it comes with a ton of accessories. Let's take this out. Yep, there we go. So here we got the car. And here we got all the accessories. So it comes with a ladder, this thing, parasol for the sun, beach chair, table chair, surfboard, and it got red fins. I like that. That blue box over here, well, I take it out because it's upside down in the there we go. Yeah, I have to think it's something, a box with glasses for a refreshing drink. Okay, now let's take a look at the car. Nice blue color, Expedition on the side. I also like the rims. Again, different rims. I think all cars got different rims. See, this one is different, and even different tires on this one. Man, This one also different rims. Different rims. And obvious, the one with the tracks, also different rims. Or actually no rims, it got tracks. Okay, this one has a spare tire on the back. And a tent on top. Can we take that off? Well, probably, but then you got some holes inside, so yep. The base with a lot of details. Whoa. Pretty impressed by that. Normal screws. And yeah, tons of accessories. I like the leather. I'm going to put the leather here on the side to show you guys. That looks cool, right? Couple of figures and it's ready for a perfect photo. Okay, put that one right here. And then, last but not least, we have the mystery model. Where's the mystery model? Mystery model is right here. Oh, yes. A couple of minutes ago, I said somebody at Xcartoys is really creative. Well, this is totally awesome. Okay, first I'm going to put this on the turntable. Wait. Like this. So. Because this is a display stand. And here we got the mystery model. We are going to space. This is really cool. Super creative. Check this out. Oh my god, I like this a lot. Rockets on the side. Man, I like this. Okay, here a hole in the base for the display stand. I have to do it like this. I don't know what you think, but I think this set is a absolute winner. I have never seen a set this good. I mean, these are all Tank 300s and every tank is different. Pew. Xcartoys, thumbs up for this set because this is a great set and totally worth the money. Man, I like this. So I want to thank you really much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends. Let me know what you think about this set and what is your favorite model. Have a very nice day and I'll see you soon. Happy hunting. Bye.